So friends, in the last tutorial, in the last lecture, we had already seen that the basic user interface of the Revit. Now in this lecture, let's see how to open a new Revit file. So to open new file, just click on the new in the model section. Just click on the new, and this kind of window will pop up. Then here you can see. Once you click on the drop down here, so this many options you can see. So as of now, there are many discipline, just like architecture, architectural, this one is a structure, this one is a construction. As of now, we will just focus on the architectural part. So I am selecting architecture, and there are many more discipline. If you wanted to browse them, then just click here, and here you can see this one is plumbing structure. There are many files you can select from here. Okay, and then select the create new project, and you can press on the OK button. Let's see, I press on the OK button. Wait, so so guys, we have entered in the Revit file. So the wait. Yeah, now it's okay. So what is the advantages of this advantage of this architectural default? If we click on the none, then what will gonna happen? And if we click on the architectural default made template, then what we are getting added benefit? So let me close this. uh, when you are clicking on when you are selecting the architect, then you can see here you are getting some wait where it gone. uh, some of the walls option, many families you are getting pre-installed in this. Let me show you family here. You can see there are different sizes of doors which are pre-installed in this particular template. That is some of the columns. Here are the some rectangular columns. So if you select on the door, for the door first we need to draw the wall. Yeah, now we get the wall. You can see uh, here are some of the walls which are already installed in the this template file. In similar way, uh, there are already some of the door files which are installed which are already in this particular template file. Since similar way, for as of now we will just deal with the architectural tab. So there are different things which are already we will get in the template. Okay, fine.